Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Chargebee account. So let's get started right away. First of all, launch open a web browser of your choice. In the URL box at the top, type in chargebee.com and search. You will then end up in the official website for Chargebee. Mouse over to the login button at the top right corner and select one of the options from the pop-up. You will then end up in the sign-in page for Chargebee. You will now need to type in your email address and then your password associated with Chargebee account. You can also sign in with your Google account or use the sign-in with single sign-on option at the bottom and follow the prompts. After entering your company's email and your password, you can click on the sign-in button, which will then log you into your Chargebee account within a few minutes. So that is how you can easily log into Chargebee. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.